Okay, folks, it is, what time is it, Margie? 9:30 probably?
9:19.
Huh?
9:19. We're
Okay.
19 minutes late.
Pre, pre-inspection. Oh, look. See that? See that? You don't do it? I was checking oil yesterday and I didn't lock it. Can you believe it? Okay, let me pause it first. That's what they call how important it is. Pre-inspection. Now it's all set. Okay. Anything else over here? All the locks and everything. Check. Check. Hi. Check. This thing is locked. All that is stuff. Chains. Straps. Window. Hey. Hey, there is somebody sitting in there. Hey, Jack. Open the door. Okay. All right. We were over there. That's the river. And Malik Saab di gaddi hai. Okay, man, I'm exhausted. Okay. All right. चलो जी हंसी खुशी जाओ तो हंसी खुशी वापस आओ. Okay, check these two. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's lock the door over here. Can you believe it? The front hood was open. I was checking oil, remember, yesterday? I didn't lock it. Lucky. See, that's why when I used to fly, that's what we used to do. Pre-check, everything got to be pre-checked. Check after check after check. Okay, I'll get me a beer now. Okay. Outside, that's my sandwich. Outside, couple old ladies were walking. Hey, the sheriff. What the hell he think? Preach. Okay. Hey, there's the sheriff right over there. Usually they chase people. I'm gonna be chasing them. See, that's good thing about these state parks. The cops are there, the rangers are there. It's pretty safe, but things can happen anywhere. Look at, he's gonna go all the way around, make the round over there. So there is another dump station right over here. There are 3 dump stations over here. Okay, let's see. That lady is still there. I got to go say her hello because there is a sign, please stop. Somebody called her a witch one time. She was telling me. I was laughing like crazy. I say, man, I got nothing to say about it. I could have said that same thing, but I'm not. No, she's all right. She's okay. She just wanted to show her authority. That's it. ਉਹ boss ਨੂੰ boss ਮੰਨ ਲਓ ਤੇ ਹਰ ਕੰਮ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਆਸਾਨੀ ਨਾਲ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ. That's the logic behind it.
What?
Beautiful weather. So nice. Camper stop. That's the boaters, I think, when they come, they have to do that. Okay, Big Honcho, we leaving.
You're leaving? Have
Yeah.
a good one.
Okay, thank you very much.
You have a good day.
All right. If we live, we might see you next year or might go somewhere else. Yeah.
Well, you come here.
I know you good.
You know we love you.
All right.
Alright.
I didn't hear you say again
What?
the what you just said.
I said, you know we love y'all.
Okay. Did you hear?
I heard you.
Okay, all right. I'll let you go now. Man, it's so beautiful. All pine trees over here. Look at folks. How beautiful it is. But they are cutting all those, building houses. How fast I'm going. That's pretty dangerous. Okay, now you can look at it. This is the Arkansas River. That's where we were at. When you're sitting in an RV, you're sitting up high, so you can see. We were at Fort Smith too, and all the way up north. See that? We were not on that side of the river, we were on this side of the river. This side. What? Okay folks, that's enough. That river never gonna end. I might get a ticket for that. So she's sitting in the back. Everything good? Okay, that's it. Okay folks, 2025 March 13A. Okay, bye now.